No worries, I'll upload today. Um, so we'll discuss today like very simple. I mean, I don't think someone will ask you on these questions, but at least for once you should understand what are these documents. Okay, so sample documents. This is also kind of a reference document used as a reference for posting the transactions. So similar to your recurring documents, we are using recurring document as a reference document and posting the main entries, right? As a month end at the month end by using that recurring program. Similarly, sample document also just you will create one sample transaction, debit or credit. Will every time instead of like every time we have to enter the details like debit credit, right? So we'll create one sample document. We can just call that a document for the main postings. Even create account assignment model also it's again kind of sample document. It's a kind of reference document which is used for posting multiple line items. This also can be posted multiple line items. It's not like that. So create one sample document. So accounting, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, document entry. So reference documents, sample document, F-01, sample document. This is not the actual accounting document. This is sample reference document. Okay, it's a reference document. So give some sample as a reference sample document test. Okay, I'm just updating as a sample document test. So scroll down. So here posting key, you can give some 40. So 40, so this is not our first of all, we have not entered any company code at all. So company code is TN98, currency is INR, and scroll down, you can just enter here. So company code is TN98, click on star search. So enter something, some expenses, stationary expenses to some bank account or something. So here for creating in company code 2N98, the number range X2. X2 is a sample document number range. Okay, X2 sample X2. Yeah, you can see it here. Oh, ABN. So system is expects for for creating sample document. System expects one X2 number range. There will be no document type for this. Okay, number range itself it is X2. There is no document number. So go to the slash OOBA7. So here there is no X2. X2 is itself is a number range. When I say number range, for example, this is number range. So X2 is this one. So number range. So I'm just coming from the FBN1 transaction. You have to go to the FBN1, click on change intervals. Just update as X2 here. Number range will be X2. There is no document type for sample documents 2025. And what is your next number range, sir? 20201? No, 201 is already there. 301. 301 to 400. So I can create 100 sample documents. Click on save. Continue. Come back to your sample document. So system processed to the next screen. So our number range has been defined with X to some respective number 301 or something. So you can give your values, some values. Text it's a sample document, but if you want to give some actual expenses, you can give some expenses, stationary expenses, and posting key some 50. So you can give some thousand as a bank account or cash account. Press center. So here, yes, since it is an expense, system expects as a system expects one cost account assignment, which is cost center, and here give the same value. This is the correct stationary expenses. So go to the document. I've entered. So I don't. There is no. What do you say? So there is no simulation here. Since this is a sample document, click on post. So your document number 301 has been updated. Document display. So when you post so this is sample document. This is not original accounting entry. Okay, this will not impact your. There will be no impact on your accounting books of. I mean in the books of accounts. Okay, but still you can see here. So it gives clear picture. It's a sample document status is sample document. It's not the normal document. It's a sample document. So T code posted with a BM1. That's fine. Now reference to this 301, we can post as many as documents. Okay. So come back to the main transaction F-02 general posting. We can use this one. Post with reference is nothing but sample reference. Post with reference. So what is the number? 301. Press enter. Yep. You can If you want to change whatever the values you want, or else during sample document itself you can update some header text or something. So no, I mean system is, since we already posted the document, so just click on document simulate and post it. Okay. So sample document, see actual document 201 post 207 posted. Again post with reference if you want to post. So again your reference number is 301 sample document. Press enter, system, click on post. So like this you can post as many as documents with reference to sample document, which is 30301. This is your original documents. Any questions, guys?
No.
Yep, it's very pretty. I mean, what
Yes.
do you say? It's a simple reference document. Sample documents are reference documents to post the documents. Usually,
So,
this will be used by end users frequently. Now, tell me, Sakshi.
so what will be the difference between Park document and this document?
Park document, that's a good question. So, sample document is a reference document. Park is not a reference document. So, partially or like updating some information with not complete. It's an incomplete information. Park. Okay, there are two things here. So, park document, where you don't have, why this is coming here, sir? Sufficient information, right? So what you will do, you'll park the document. You'll park the document. Later you'll post the document, post the parked once you get complete information. Okay, and your reference, this is sample document, is used as reference for posting the transactions. Is that clear, or still doubt, Sakshi?
Reference is what, like
Sorry.
sample. Reference, I'm not getting, like sample document is used for a reference, used as reference, right?
अगर समझ लो you want to post 1000 transactions, similar document, say stationery to cash account or bank account, similar transaction, you want to post 100 transactions or 1000 transactions the whole day. What you will do, every time you go to AB50 and you will enter the transaction, or it's better to create one template.
Yes, yes.
So reference
Transfer.
is nothing but template.
Okay, okay, right. Got it.
Clear?
Yes, yes.
So you're creating template. So if you have, so in your sample document, you have some 100 line items, 50 debit, 50 credit. So every time the whole day you will post 1000 transactions. It's very headache, right? So you're creating one sample sample document template. Every time you can call the template and post the document. Even if we have another option called create account
Recurring.
assignment. No, sir. That is a different. Recurring is. Of course,
Uh,
recurring also you can, but you are like recurring expenses where SAP has already provided one program. So if you want to post the transactions like the entire period, for how many months that you want to post, for how many years you want to post, you can use that program. Okay, but sample and the account assignments which are used for templates. But recurring document cannot be used as a template, right, Chari?
okay.
So account assignment model, again, it's a kind of template, it's a kind of reference document again. So FKMT is a transaction. Go back to the FKMT, close. Okay, document entry here itself, account assignment model. This is also again kind of template or kind of reference, whatever you want to tell, you can tell. So just enter your some value here. I mean TN98. Okay, click on this create option. So currency, with what currency that you want to maintain? What is the chart of accounts hours? TA98
TA98
only,
only.
right?
Yes.
TA98 sample text. So something rent expenses. Okay. And if you want, so here press enter, click on save. So system says maintain items before saving. So you have to maintain the items here. Go to under menu, go to line items. Okay. Posting key 40, 50. So you can mention as many as line items here. So every time very difficult, right? TA98. Oi, where I'm entering it. Okay. So system is not considering by default. Okay, now GL account. So take one examples. Take salaries 1000. We have one more account, right? Other than salaries, we have one more expenses.
3000.
Stationary expenses. Take 1000. So like this, you can create as many as line items. So cost center 100, 100. We add, so this is your expenses again 100. It's up to you whatever the cost center you want to post it with 100, some 100. So this one I want to put update as some 200, some 200. Okay, this is something that see we need to guide user. We have this option in SAP system. You can use as a template. We are not going to do some production activities, right? We are not the end users. We are the consultants. We are implementation. We are SAP consultants. We'll guide them. SAP user doesn't know anything, so we are like training them. We are guiding them to use this transaction. There is an option in SAP. We can create some templates and we can post the transactions based on the templates. By using these templates, they can use it. Click on save. So account model was CC. It has been mentioned saved. Now I can use every time I can use this account assignment model TN98. Some description I had given this one. So go back and F-02 you have that standard transaction itself. So under general posting you have this one account assignment model. Click here. So click OK. So these details we need to enter. 10 click on as an account assignment model. System will ask you under which account assignment model you want to post. So many of the of course many users has been created different account assignment models. We can just call that. Click on post. So okay, I mean business area I think we did not updated. T E with what?
CHY.
T C H Y,
C.
yeah,
Yeah.
this one, right?
Yes.
So I think this will ask for this one also. T C H.
That is
Shit,
wrong.
shit, 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 shit.
TCHY.
This is wrong, huh?
Yes, TCHY. For that, 1001 is the cost center.
अभी क्या देना पड़ेगा मुझे यहाँ? दूसरा देना चाहता हूँ मुंबई का कुछ. इसके लिए हैदराबाद होगा. That's what you're saying?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Then its system will throw the error. So TC का है starts with the TC star, right? Tata Chemical for Hyderabad, Tata Chemical for Mumbai. TCMU और TCHY. So इसका मुंबई, so इसका मुंबई है ना?
No, 100101 is for Mumbai cost center.
अच्छा दोनों सेम कॉस्ट सेंटर दे दिया है. So let
Uh,
us change it to HY. So इसका भी चेंज करना पड़ेगा देन. फिर भी पोस्ट कर दिया है. It should not, right? It should throw the error actually. पता नहीं है. Blindly pick कर लिया है. हाँ. 40, 50, 40, 50. This it should not populate because it has to check the against cost center also. It is not checking. So the template is not very good then. But fine, that's a real catch. Nice catch. So because in the salaries No. The cost center, see, it will get updated rightly. See, if you look at here, expense, see, from the stationary expenses, cost center, it is updated right. See, for the both salaries and stationary expenses, rightly updated the business area. It is picking from the respective cost centers. Okay, but this is these two GL accounts we entered manually. That's the reason it's getting updated. So this is fine. So, but basically I'm expecting the from business area should get updated from the respective cost centers. It is updating from the respective cost center only. Lines we updated manually, so updating manually. This is okay. But so this is the main document, the original document we posted with 40 document number, and it will get updated as FB01. Yep, that's fine. So if you want to change your account assignment model, you can do that. Go to the account assignment model, select here, click on change mode, click on edit, go to line items, so you can update here. So this one anyhow, this business area will get updated from this cost center, so no need to update in business area, but if you want to specify here, you can specify. Okay, so TCHY, and this is also TCHY only, because you want to differentiate, it's better to, this is correct. So template should be correct. Any questions on this one? So template create, so here account assignment model and your sample documents creation are the normal reference templates. I don't think someone will ask you, but at least from the end user perspective, in case if users ask you, then you have to tell these options are there in SAP system to post multiple line items every time. Instead of posting manually some from morning to till evening, so you can use templates for posting the transactions. So what is post automatically? Anyone seen this post automatically field? Anywhere have you seen this post automatically field?
No.
So post automatically is used for there are certain GL accounts. Okay, so we are not going to post manually. We are not going to post manually to these GL accounts. Okay, for example, like we have certain accounts like inventory accounts or sales related accounts. So system automatically picks those GL accounts. So if any user goes ahead and try to post manually, so system will throw the error if you're activating this field. So in the GL master we have this field post automatically. So go to the GL master. For example, consider where is master data, master records, GL accounts, individual processing, centrally. Let us take one account expenses or any account. It's not like that. Click on create bank interest. Click on this post automatic. So under create bank interest tab, you will see this post automatically. Click on save. Click on continue. So if you don't know the definition of post automatic, what you will do? You want some information to know. What you will do, sir? Divya, Sakshi, if you don't know anything about post automatically, so from where you get this information? What is the definition of post automatically? You'll search it in the Google. Yes, you can do that also, but you can search it here itself. So function F1. F1, okay. In my system, no need to press F1 because it is automatically if I press F1, then it will come. Some in some laptops or in some desktops, you have to press a function key. See here, indicates that this account only be posted to the system using account determination tables. Okay. So posted automatically. No need to post manually to these GL accounts. Even though if user try to post manually to these GL accounts, system will not allow. It will say that it cannot be posted internally. So try this GL account posting slash show AB50. So for B bank account, right? So let us give bank account. So 1000 debit some value. Okay. So press enter. We'll see. See, account 1000 can only be posted to internally in company. Internally in the sense automatically. So externally means manual postings. So cannot be posted manually here. This is a message. Understood? So we can restrict posting to the GL accounts also via post automatically. But post automatically it is usually used for account determination. I mean, if you are like processing transactions from P2P or like from the OTC process, then system will determine the GL accounts automatically. No need to go ahead and post manually for those GL accounts. Did you get that? Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. Accrual, deferral. Anyone can tell me what are the different examples? Give me one example for accrual or deferral. Any accrual example? Accrual expenses. Accrual expenses. You are incurring expenses in the current period, but you're incurring expenses for the current period, but still you don't have the bill, right? You will get bill in the next month. For example, internet expenses or rent expenses or your electricity expenses. These are expenses where you receive the bill in the next month, utility bills. But you are responsible for making payment, right? For utilizing the services for the current period. Okay, that's what I mentioned here. See, accrual accounting that ensures revenues and expenses are recognized in the current accounting period. Recognized in the current accounting period. Correct, in the correct accounting period. And accrued expenses is an expense that a company has incurred but has not paid for it. So, company has incurred. Company has incurred the expenses but not paid because we don't have the bill. So we are liable to the for this. We are liable, right, for the services. So it's a liability on the balance sheet. So accrued liabilities. Employee salaries because the company is responsible to pay salaries, right, for the current month. So they may pay on 5th or 6th. Otherwise, you take utility bills. Example, the company must record the electric cost as an expense in the December period, a liability on its balance sheet, because in the January month you receive the electricity bill, but you already utilized the electricity, right, for the December period. So we need to book an expense in the December period. At the same time, we are liability because we don't have the bill. How much electricity bill that you have to pay, you have to make payment, we don't know. So we are liable. We are liability. Okay, it's a liable for electricity expenses. In the books of accounts, I need to show we are liable to the electricity department. Is that clear? The example is clear.
Yes, yes.
So similarly, for the accrued revenue is a revenue that a company has earned but providing goods and services, but has not yet received cash. So company has already provided the services, but you have not received any what do you say, cash or check, cash or like anything like check or any something. So you did not receive payment, but you already provided the services. So basically, it's a revenue for us. So in the December period, you already provided the services. The revenues belongs to December, not January. But you received like you're receiving in the next month. For example, consulting services. Okay, so these are so accrual expenses and accrual revenues. So take one example, normal example. Go to the missiles here. Accrual expenses, electricity cost. Many are there, right? Even you will pay rent in the next period on all your power bill. Sorry, your internet expenses, right? So you will debit these expenses and accrue liabilities. Yep. So depends upon the how they treat the accounting here. I mean, some companies what they will do, they'll just book the expenses like this, and they'll of course what they will do, they'll book to the liabilities also. I think we already have one rent to rent outstanding, right? It's accrued expenses only. It's up to them how they want to books in the how to update in the books of accounts all their accrual expenses. Okay.
Yes.
Or else what they will do? Usually, I mean, in some companies, they will put a liability here and they will reverse this transaction in the next period. I mean, in the current period itself. For as on third, so as on August 31st, I want to know my reporting for this current month balance sheet as on 31st August. I want report. So I want report of my financial business. Right? I want report of my financial status of my company. Right? So definitely I need to book all these expenses. Then only I'll get every month report my financial balance sheet for every month. So for that purpose, from the reporting perspective, the expenses need to be booked accordingly. So this will be your first entry, and the second entry, you can reverse your about entry. You can reverse the entry, and later in the next month, you will book the expenses again. So this will become accrued liabilities, and what you will do? This is debit, and your specific expense account that will get credited. This is reversal entry. So one entry will post, another entry system will reverse it automatically. This option is there in SAP system, accrued, accruals. And it depends upon the company how they want to book the how do I mean it depends how they want this to, how they want to, these accrual expenses need to be booked in accounts in the books of accounts. Every company has their own accounting regulations. Not all the companies should use the same thing, but it depends again. So if you post this entry while posting the entry itself, you have an option on which date you want to reverse this entry. So this entry has been posted in the month of August. Okay, August 8. This entry has been posted. So on August, so I will reverse this entry next month. July, August, September, September 1st. On September 10th, you will post actual entry, normal your expenses to your payment, because we received bill in the next month, right? That can be done. But as on this date, I'll get the reporting. Okay. So what I'll do, let us take one example. I think we already have one GL account, right? Master records GL. So we already have one expenses. Yes, rent expenses. All the salaries expenses also. So salaries expenses to accrued liabilities outstanding. That is also fine. So rent expenses to rent outstanding, it's an expense. Let us take the same example, rent to rent outstanding slash O FB, not FB50. We have separate transaction for posting accruals. Document entry. I think periodic processing accruals. Let me check, not that one. FBS1. So FBS1 comes under periodic processing. Under closing, you have this option, enter accrual or deferral document. FBS1, I am posting one accrual document. SEA reversal, you can just enter your relevant details here. Reversal reason, okay, you have to select your reversal reason. Inverse posting, so it will system will reverse your document. So we can create as many as reversal reasons. No issues on that. So I don't see the relevant one here. Accrual posting or something.
Zero 05 auto reverse.
Auto reverse, no sir, actually it should be different one, but I will try. So reversal date, I want to do it on 1st September. it's not auto reverse. You have to execute one more program.
Okay.
So if you have some thousands of accrual documents, we can't do it, right? So select a valid function 40 and something. Is it 3000?
301.
It's okay, fine. Let it be. Expenses only, right?
Hmm.
Um, okay. So 50,000,
2001.
not 1000.
2001.
We need something called outstanding.
Hmm.
So here we have rent outstanding. So cancel it, sir. Make it a meaningful entry.
Okay.
Make it meaningful entry or create GL accounts. 40. So let us take rent account. Rent. Rent to rent outstanding or rent expenses. Use some value here. You can give some. There is no rent description. Can give a cost center here. 50. Can you give outstanding rent 2000, right? Press enter. Now you can give your value business area. This is rent expenses document simulate. Okay, so it is mentioned here reversal date. So all reversal documents, all your accrual documents can be reversed. So posting a normal document here 41. So by how to identify here, you go to the header level. So here you can see FBS1 transaction code. Okay, so all FBS1 related are the accrual documents. So SAP has already provided system will reverse accrual or deferral document. So we have this option reverse accrual deferral documents. Company code is your TA98,
TN.
and if you are like if you don't mention the document number, then system will reverse all your accrual documents. Okay, so since we don't have many, right, we have only one, so I'm just putting like this test run mode, click on execute. So we have one accrual document. Processing completed.
How come test run?
Test, maybe in the test run mode it is showing. Yeah, test run only. Processing
Okay.
completed essence, just it has given some output on the output screen. So posting period 006 is not open, so we have not opened the next period because the September needs to be open, right? Slash o ob52. So when this activity will be done? This activity will be done on the September 1st, right?
Yes.
So ob52, what is the posting period? TA98. Yes, so sixth period is not opened. Especially I'm expecting this one because GL to GL only, right? Sixth period. Sixth is September, April, May, June, July, August, September. Yeah, that's the reason system is asking to keep the period opened. Let's also see. Come back. Now you can execute again in the test run mode. You will not see any errors. It will come here. Documents which can be reversed. Okay. Now you are reversing all your accrual documents on 1st September. Or this can be created as a job. So every month on the first date, this can be created as a job. Processing completed. Yep, this has been done, sir. Go back to the document and you can check what is the document here. Here itself you can see 41. Double click 209. Yep, we can see here itself. It's updating. It's like similar your reversal document only. Nothing more. But as part of accounting, every month you will come to know what is your reporting, right? I want to know my status of my company, including all your expenses and revenues. That's the reason we book in accounting. We book accrual expenses, accrual revenues.
Um,
Yep.
I have one question. Like I'm confused now. We have given the reversal date is 1 September, right?
So 1st September.
So yeah.
So
So on
Sakshi, I'll explain you first, okay? So just imagine, जो आपका घर का रेंट कब पे करती है, नहीं आपका घर का पावर बिल कब पे करती है, नेक्स्ट मंथ और इन द
yes,
करंट मंथ.
नेक्स्ट मंथ
नेक्स्ट मंथ आपका यूटिलाइजेशन कब किया है, करंट मंथ में किया है या नेक्स्ट मंथ में किया है?
करंट
So current,
यूटिलाइजेशन
so
करंट
आपका reporting perspective, do you think that expenses need to be booked in the current month or not?
यस
Yes, for that purpose. अभी यहाँ तक तो आपको समझ में आ गया?
यस
हाँ, अभी आपने पेमेंट किया है? नहीं ना, आपको बिल आने के बाद ही पेमेंट कर दिए, राइट?
यस
हाँ, तो उसको रिवर्स तो करना पड़ेगा ना, ओरिजिनल एंट्री रिवर्स करके द मेन एंट्री पोस्ट करेंगे। नेक्स्ट सितंबर 10 को मुझे बिल आता है, देन आई मेक इट द रियल बिल, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एक्सपेंसेस, देन टू कैश और बैंक अकाउंट। दिस इज योर एक्चुअल एंट्री। For time being, for my reporting purpose, I have executed this. ये तो रिवर्स हो जाएगा, एक्चुअल बुकिंग तो मुझे सितंबर 10 को हो रहा है, बट ये जो वाला एंट्री है वो तो डमी हो गया ना, हैव टू रिवर्स इट, राइट? बट एज ऑन 31st आई विल गेट द एंट्री।
यस सो मेरा ये क्वेश्चन है कि सपोज वी हैव 1 सितंबर मैंने रिवर्सल डेट दिया है, तो डैट मीन्स कि 1 सितंबर को मुझे एक और एंट्री करना पड़ेगा या वो ऑटोमेटिक रिवर्स होगा, मतलब मैं
एग्जीक्यूट,
रहिए
प्रोग्राम
कंफ्यूज।
एग्जीक्यूट करना पड़ेगा आपको। ये जो वाला जो
एग्जीक्यूट
प्रोग्राम है
करना
ना, एग्जीक्यूट करना
पड़ेगा।
पड़ेगा।
हाँ
अगर सी इफ यू हैव सम thousands of if user says we have some thousands of transactions, so of course if you don't give any document number, then it will execute in seconds, right? It will take hardly, it will take 30 to 1 minute, 30 seconds to 1 minute. It will reverse. The program makes all your reverse, all your accrual documents will get reversed automatically when you execute this program. Or if you want to specify on the specific date, if you want to make it this program as job, that can be done. जैसा क्लॉक टाइमर, टाइम लगा
हाँ
के वी
जैसे
कैन
कि
स्केड्यूल द जॉब रन बोलते हैं उसको, जॉब स्केड्यूलिंग बोलते हैं।
हाँ जैसे मेल हम लोग शेड्यूल करते हैं
हाँ,
वैसा भी हो सकता है।
हाँ, we can schedule the job for this program on a particular date, on a particular time. You can execute this program. System will automatically execute the program. Okay. So come back to the document. So two entries posted. One is MP03 41, press enter. So this is your reversed by 209. This is actual your, this is your actual accrual document. For this one, it got reversed on which date? 1st September. Okay. So this is your basic accounting concept, accruals and deferrals. We'll understand special periods. What are the special periods? Why we need to define special periods?
टू कैरी
Adjustments.
फॉर
Sorry?
Adjustments.
Yep. Special periods are the periods which are used for making adjustment postings at the year end after auditing. Okay. So OB50. Okay. So to post additional or adjustment postings during year end, example audit adjustments. So we'll use, see, first period to 12 periods we are using as a normal periods for posting the transactions. 13, 14, 15, 16. We have 4 special periods in SAP. The maximum the special periods can be defined only 4, and these special periods are used for making adjustments. And if you look at here, posting date should be end of the financial year. Posting period 13, 14, 15. So always your date should be, your posting date should be the end of the financial year. And so 13th special period will be used for your first quarter adjustments, 14th second quarter adjustment, 15th third quarter adjustment, 16th fourth quarter adjustments. After auditing, you will come to know, right? So definitely you'll like for the December period. So you want to do some relevant to December period. So December comes under third quarter. So 15th special period can be used. Or else in some clients they'll say no, we want only one special period, so they'll use only one special period. It depends again. But SAP provided 4 special periods, like understanding linking your 4 quarters. 3 periods. So each special period denotes 1 quarter. So depends upon the adjustment, you will post the transaction the relevant special period. Okay, let us post in the month of December period, then third quarter adjustment. So F-02 normal general posting. I'm using normal general transaction here. Financial accounting, general ledger, document entry, F-02. So I want to post. So this will be always 3103 20 20. What I'm entering here? 3103 20. Tell me
26.
26. Yep. So this will be, it's your wish. You can consider the same date, or you want whatever the date user want to update by seeing the bills or something else. Okay. Now adjustment entry or tax adjustment, whatever the adjustment they want to do, they'll adjust the entries by using this option. So here this is done. This is fine, but this is should be this has to be either 13, 14, 15, 16. So let us update on the December period. 15th comes under third quarter. December comes under third quarter. So third quarter belongs to 15th special period. Okay, let us see whether it is updating in the right period or not. So 40th is again just post, take any normal entry. I'll take salaries to bank. So period 15 is not open for a TN98. Go to the open close periods. So 15th period. So 15th is not opened here. See, this is for the special period. So 15th in the sense. So I'm just considering 13 to 16th period here. So 13 to 16. As of now, we required only for this plus and yes because it's a GL adjustment.
13 will be April, no? April 2026.
Sorry, madam.
13th will be April 2026 month, no? 13, 14, 15, 16.
25, 2025, 2025, 2025. Click on save. April, no, don't think from that onwards. Okay, just consider these as quarter adjustments. Your financial year, right? Your financial year is when your financial is getting started, April, right? So April, May. Okay, okay, 2025. So this is your first period. This is your second period. Financial period. Okay, makes sense? This is your 12th period.
Yes.
Now you're thinking that this 13th is your April period, right?
Yes.
16th. But I'm not thinking from that perspective. इसके लिए ये वाला इसके लिए एक क्वार्टर डिफाइन करना चाहता हूँ. For this one I want to give क्या बोलते हैं, हाँ, here merge cells. This one first quarter 13th period adjustment के लिए बोल रहा हूँ. 13th period. For this one so similarly for this one also यहाँ से आ जाएगा 14th period, 14th, 15th. 16th period adjustment, quarter adjustments. अगर कुछ आपको एडजस्टमेंट करना है आपको कुछ रेक्टिफिकेशन, आप ऑडिटिंग में कुछ पता चला कि में कुछ एडजस्टमेंट, टैक्स का एडजस्टमेंट चलना है, कुछ एडजस्टमेंट करना पड़ेगा. सो मे बिलोंग्स टू विच मे बिलोंग्स टू विच क्वार्टर, साक्षी?
30.
30. So basically first quarter, right? First quarter. This is your second quarter. This is your third quarter and fourth quarter. So first quarter is assigned to the 13th period, 14th period, 15th period, 16th period. So basically these are not from April, May, but basically they are their quarters, adjustment quarters.
Okay. That means ki we can define only fourth special period. We cannot define five or six special period.
Special periods we can define only up to 4, where SAP already provided, right? Slash OOB 29. See, special periods can be defined only 4, max, not more than that. Even though if you try to click on 6 also, it won't work. Because, why? Because I'll explain you. Let us post the transaction, you'll understand. Have you posted? So 13th to 16th. So as of now, we are adjusting for the third quarter period, 15th, I mean December period. December comes under third quarter. So third quarter, I'm posting the transaction. So I've already opened this one. 16, so 13 to 16, 15th is already open between 13 to 16. The financial adjustment is 2025 only. We are making adjustment for the 2025 financial year only, right? Now here press enter, or else if you want to make something sense here, so for the December period you can give some December period here. So 31/12/2025. This is my internal understanding. So adjustment is for the December period, and of course this should be always March ending. Press enter here. So system, that's fine. Press enter. So you can adjust some value, post the transaction. It's a salary expenses, huh? 50, some 1000 value. Press enter. So here system expects one cost center. Think we changed, right? 1000. Remember, we activated this one. System is not allowing to post. Press enter. Salaries adjustment. Document simulate. Business area. Press enter. So salaries to bank. So my adjustment is belongs to December, which period adjustment, and of course this December belongs to third quarter. Third quarter is nothing but special period 15th. And this should be always end of the financial year date. Click on post. Yep, you can ask question now.
अभी ये थर्ड क्वार्टर तो 2026 में होना चाहिए था ना, बट अभी तो हम लोग फाइनेंशियल ईयर के लिए 2025.
Sorry.
The date you have mentioned, document date, that
हाँ
is 2025, and you are saying that is
हाँ
for
मुझे
third quarter.
हाँ यस, दिसंबर का डॉक्यूमेंट डेट दिया है. क्यों? सम एडजस्टमेंट नीड्स टू बी डन फॉर द दिसंबर पीरियड. जो कुछ एडजस्टमेंट करना है मुझे टैक्स रिलेटेड का, दिसंबर पीरियड का पोस्टिंग है, वो कोई ने गलती कर दिया है दिसंबर पीरियड का डेटा में. सो आई एम एडजस्टिंग द डेट एज डॉक्यूमेंट डेट एज दिसंबर डेट. Of course posting date is mandatory, you have to give the last date of the financial year. Now belongs to which special period? If you are like determining 4 special periods, each special period has we are in the system, we are not mentioning anywhere. So this special period, this 13th period belongs to this quarter, 14 belongs to this quarter. No, we are like, we can create only one special period also, utilizing for all the 12 periods. Confused, Sakshi? Not clear?
Yes, still I think I am what I am understanding
Hmm?
कि स्पेशल पीरियड इज लाइक आफ्टर 2025 अप्रैल का जो भी हम लोग का
It,
एडजस्टमेंट होगा दैट इज स्पेशल
2025,
पीरियड.
see, these special periods are 2025 financial year only. Even if you
ओके.
look at your, open and close periods also, it belongs to 2025 only, right? Adjustments किसके लिए कर रही है? कौन सा साल के लिए एडजस्टमेंट्स कर रही है? ऑडिटिंग आपका कौन सा साल का ऑडिटिंग हुआ है? यू हैव डन ऑडिटिंग फॉर विच फाइनेंशियल ईयर? 2025 फाइनेंशियल बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स only, right?
Yes.
Now understood. Why you are going to 2026? Don't go about the 2026. The date is posting date to 31. Of course, it's a last period of your financial year.
Yes.
This is your last period of your financial year. And period 15, just like you can imagine, your this adjustment belongs to December period. So December I'm just considering as third adjustment, third special period. So इसके इससे पता चलेगा मुझे 15th थर्ड क्वार्टर का एडजस्टमेंट कुछ है बोल के.
Okay.
Otherwise, if you want to use only one special period also, it's fine. No worries. In the configuration, in the OB20, in the file creating the fiscal year, you define only one special period. You can give only 13 for all the transactions. But at least documented तो मुझे पता चलेगा someone has did something wrong in the December period for some accounting entries might be wrong. So December period का accounting entry के लिए यहाँ दे दिया मैंने identification. So usually क्या करते हैं usually users basically they'll put here some with the date and details and every reference number and everything. They'll use this text. They can attach something also here. Some reference details. कौन सा एडजस्टमेंट का है, कब का, किसके लिए एडजस्टमेंट कर रही है, सब डिटेल्स यहाँ अपडेट करते हैं टेक्स्ट में. No understood? Still
Yes.
still
Yes.
some clarity is not there. So
No. No. No.
let us check in the books of accounts, salaries and banks. Let us check account balance slash OFS 10N is your account balance check. Go with the bank or salaries. Check 1000 which is bank account. So execute it. Now 2025 का ही. So कौन सा क्वार्टर में चले गया, कौन सा? So 13, 14, 15, 16. So is this is rightly updated or not, Sakshi?
Yes.
So
Correct.
हाँ, एक पीरियड यूज करेंगे फर्स्ट क्वार्टर के एडजस्टमेंट के लिए, सेकंड पीरियड, 14th स्पेशल पीरियड, 15th स्पेशल पीरियड, 16th स्पेशल पीरियड. सो 15th मैंने पोस्टिंग करते वक्त 15 दिया, सो 15th में अपडेट कर दिया सिस्टम ने. करेक्ट. सो 15th हैड गिवन 15th. अगर मैं यहाँ 16 देता हूँ तो इफ आई गिव 16, सो सिस्टम वुड अपडेटेड ईयर. अगर देता हूँ 14 यहाँ अपडेटेड ईयर, 13. So if you don't define 14, 15, 16, so while posting the transaction, you give only 13. So 13 will get updated for the entire 1 year auditing transactions. It depends. You have an options here. Some clients will utilize only one period. Some clients will definitely they'll okay 13 they'll use it for the first quarter adjustment, second quarter adjustment, third quarter adjustment, fourth quarter adjustment. Okay. So these periods don't belong to 2026. It belongs to 2025 financial year. Okay. Don't think after March, April, May, June. You don't think from that perspective. Think from the adjustment perspective. These special periods are used for adjustment posting for the financial year 2025 only for the respective financial year. Is
Okay.
is that clear?
Yes. Yes.
Or
సార్ ఇప్పుడు
huh,
2025 బుక్స్ క్లోజ్ అయిపోయినాయి సార్. మనకి బ్యాలెన్సెస్ కూడా క్యారీ ఫార్వర్డ్ చేసినాం నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ కి. ఆ తర్వాత మనం అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్ ఎంట్రీ చేయాల్సి వచ్చింది. అప్పుడు యూజ్
yep,
అవుతుందా ఇది?
for that only, no, sir. So this open close period, this is already closed. So nothing has been opened here. This is 2026. You have started. You are in 2026 financial year, and periods are open for 2026 only. But you are making special. This is your separate block, right? This is your separate block. 13 2025 to you are making adjustments for the previous financial year.
ఓకే.
So for which financial year you want to make adjustment, you can open that one here. This block is only for your adjustment entries. You'll open the respective financial year. This
ఓకే.
block is your
మనం
current year
ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్
transactions.
సార్ ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్ బ్యాలెన్స్ క్యారీ ఫార్వర్డ్ చేసిన 26 కి తర్వాత అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్ ఎంట్రీ చేసిన తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ ఓపెనింగ్ బ్యాలెన్స్ చేంజ్ అవుతాయి. మళ్ళీ మనం
System automatically it will update your balances once you execute the month end program, carry forward balances program.
ఓకే.
Okay, I'm just repeating it again. The program, the carry forward balances program will update automatically whenever you do changes to your previous financial year or any financial year. Okay. Once you for the first time, once you run the program, so system will update automatically every time once you do the changes. Every time you do
ఓకే.
the changes, system will update automatically. So let me confirm once. Not here. Mm, There is no SAP is already provided. This has been changed.
రీరన్నింగ్ విత్ చేంజెస్ అని ఉంది సార్, అదే సార్ అందులో ఉంది చూడండి, రీరన్నింగ్ విత్ చేంజెస్ అని.
If postings are made in the previous year after the fetch, the balance will change. You need to run the again to carry forward. However, the running it multiple does not create a negative impact, or it will not impact, but no need to run. That was my question, right? Actually, answer. See, understood? This is answer. You do not need to run rerun for the same financial if postings are made to the previous year after the initial run, because the system automatically adjusts the opening balances carry forward. So every time system will update automatically.
ఓకే. సో ఫస్ట్ టైం మనం
See,
రన్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఏమైనా
the
చేంజెస్ ఉన్నా
system
ఆటోమేటిక్
automatically
పోస్ట్
adjusts
వస్తుంది.
subsequent postings. Even though if you run also nothing, no need to worry about that one. You can run as many as times, but usually it will update automatically. It does not create an impact. Okay, so no need to waste time on that, but usually it will update automatically.
ఓకే.
So come back to our Excel sheet. So this is all about your special periods. Okay. So
ఓకే.
four special periods SAP has provided for making adjustment entries. So always remember that your posting date should be always end of the financial year. Okay, and your document date for which period you want to adjust, and slash o f dash 02, try changing this account, I mean date. Okay, so for example, I want to adjust for the 13th period, giving as let us take today's date. We'll see how system will consider. Will it consider, sir?
యాక్చువల్లీ షుడ్ నాట్, ఇట్ షుడ్ బి ఇయర్ ఎండ్ డేట్.
Presenter, presenter. See, system automatically changing your respective period. So it's getting automatically updated to the current period only. This is not adjustment entry again. So system is automatically changing to fifth period. So always your position date should be last date of the financial year with the respective period. So 13, 14, 15, 16 will adjust only for 31/03, 2026. I mean last date of the financial year. Is that clear?
ఎస్.
So that is all about your special periods. Sakshi, is it clear or still Divya? Any questions?
Yes, yes.
Clear? Okay.
Yes.
So we already seen, right, that limit 1 rupee. So define tolerance group for employees. So SPRO. Anyone remember the tolerance groups?
Yes.
ఎంప్లాయీస్, జిఎల్స్.
IFG,
SPM.
yeah, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, business transactions, open item clearing, and also clearing differences. So here define employees, right? So employees. So position. Do we have any specific group or case? TA98 only.
TN.
So TA98. Where is TA98? Someone has deleted or what?
Yes, you have deleted because
Me only, huh?
yeah, yeah, because that time
TA98.
you have changed.
Okay. So it will for this user for the okay. What we'll do? We'll delete this one, save it, create one more. So for this TA98, I'll give one group name. Okay, TA98 only. So for this group related users can post only up to some. I think we already tested this one, right? 9 rupees. Click on save. So now this user should be assigned to this particular group, user group. Okay, then only the particular user applicable only for posting 9 rupees, not more than 9 rupees. You can post only up to 9 rupees. So now come back to the next step, assign users to tolerance group. So here king has to be assigned to the TN98. Click on save. So I can post only up to 9 rupees. Take any transaction, FB50/O FB50 transaction. So give today's date or something, some date. 12 rupees, press enter. So 9 rupees. So you're restricting this user. You're restricting this user. So this user is restricted via this group. This group. So just imagine I have some 10 employees. I want to assign 10 employees to this group, tolerance group. So all 10 can post up to can be posted. I mean they will have access to post only up to 9 rupees, not more than 9 rupees. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes.
so if I'm updating here, then for other company codes also they can't do it, right? So it will throw error for other company codes because since I already created one group, so they have to if they want to use this TN98, then they have to assign to their company code in the previous transaction. It should be the link right between company code and group. They have to link it. So what I'll do, I'll remove this one, assign users to tolerance group from here for the king because same user ID passwords. Many users are working on the same user ID and passwords.
I think on in real time we have to assign only one time now, because while doing practice now it is asking me again I have to assign it.
Yeah. So keep it blank. So see, first check here whether any group is assigned to your user or not. If it is assigned some group, then if you can create for your company code the same group. Otherwise, keep it here blank and create one blank group for your company code. Click on save. Did I answer to your question, Sakshi? Either keep
Yes.
it blank. Okay, either keep it blank or create it. Whatever the group is assigned to the user. So I think. Oh my God, what is the time? Is 4/7? Huh?